Nations General Assembly receives 4 new members and a new president as its 17th session convenes in New York. U.S. Ambassador Adlai Stevenson is among the veterans on hand to welcome the freshman delegates. Mohammad Zafrullah Khan of Pakistan is a favored candidate for president against a Soviet-backed delegate from Ceylon. After the balloting is completed, the office goes to Mr. Zafrullah Khan by a vote of 72 to 27. Outgoing President Moungi Slim of Tunisia announces the result, and Mr. Zafrullah Khan comes to the marble podium to take the seat he will occupy for the next year. The 69-year-old leader has seen service both in the United Nations and the old League of Nations, and he is the only man here to have held high posts in 2 important governments. He headed India's delegation to the League of Nations and has served as Pakistan's foreign minister as well as delegate to the United Nations. A devoutly religious man, Mr. Zafrullah Khan brings a deep yearning for peace, together with skilled diplomatic art, to his new office.